this video, and I'm gonna show y'all how I did this. I already did the front, so I'm just give y'all an example. I need a Shine and Jam what's it, Shine and Jam holding gel and a comb, specifically this. And then you're going to obviously section your hair into like the part that you want it. Mine is a side part, so it's a side part, but I just put that there. So first, what you want to do, you're gonna section it out, the back, your side, this side, and then this side. But so you're going to make a box. So you're gonna part your hair into a box, whatever size you're doing. You guys can see that. It's kind of a semi-small box. So that's the part that I'm going to be using. If you know me, you know that I always take out my hair like in 2 weeks. Like my hair don't last more than 3 weeks tops. Now that you have your part, you're going to take the jam.
Yeah, so this is just the front half.
And put it in the front, just so I can have like a flat hold. Now what you're gonna need is hair. You're gonna separate the hair into two pieces. First one is the one I'm gonna add after I do the braid, and the second one's the one I'm gonna add to make it longer. So what you're gonna do is braid underhand. So you're gonna split the braid into 3, as you can see. 3. And you're going to braid it. I don't really know how to explain braids, but you're just gonna braid it. And I braided a good 3 times before I add the hair. So after you braided it 3 times, you're going to take the first piece of hair and you're going to put it around your pinky. Now you're going to take the hair and put one on your left hand and one on your right hand, I guess. And you're going to just continue the braid. And once I get like a steady grip, I just flip it around. So I braid, and then once I get like a couple, like a good 7 down, I'm going to add in the second piece of hair and put it under the one piece of hair that's on your left hand and then the other one that's on your right hand. And you're going to take your right hand and bring it over your index finger on your left hand and continue the braid. Okay, so I'm done with that one. I'm gonna do another example. Now you're going to take the first piece and I'm going to put it over my pinky, one on my right hand and the other one on my left, and I'm going to just continue the. So oh my gosh. So y'all know how you ain't doing your hair and it's just like that one piece left, like doop, this. Okay, if I was to do it on somebody else, like this right here would probably be a good 2 or 3, but I'm doing it on myself, like, and we're quarantined, like, I'm not gonna go anywhere. Who's gonna see the back of my head? as long as the front looks cute, so that's all that matters to me. So but yeah, so I'm going to, I recorded how I did the beginning, and now I'm going to do the, wow, that's very shy. But yeah, I'm gonna just, this will be too, but I don't feel like being here all day long, so okay, so this is the end result. Me, like, I've always wanted knotless braids, and I did them myself, but you know, period. I don't pay to get my hair done, except for wigs, like, cause I don't know how to do wigs. Yeah, that's basically all for this look. I mean, like, I'm gonna show y'all the length. It's in the way, but this is the length, and of course I didn't dip it in the water yet, but that's basically the length of the hair. It comes down right here. But yeah, this is the ending result. I really like it though. So if this tutorial helped you guys, you know, achieve this look, what I showed y'all before is what I basically used to get this look right here. So if that helped you guys, just you know, leave a comment, like, subscribe, because if you ain't doing that, then what are you doing? But yeah, and you know me, I'll be back with another video. For sure, no kids at, like, I'll be back. But yeah, that's just